Welcome everyone! Today we're going to make my simple and quick version of the Mapo Tofu. Now this version is not as spicy as my son Owen can't take a lot of spice, but it does have a little kick to it. If you like your Mapo Tofu to be more on the spicy side, you can add some red chilies or some chili oil. You will need to gather these ingredients for today's recipe. To marinate the ground pork, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Hand mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and hand mix it well, then set it aside. As you may have noticed, I always like to take my green onion fresh from my garden. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to wok on high heat and add your sliced onion and sauté for 10 seconds. Cut the tofu into cubes and add it to your wok. Now I like to use medium firm tofu, but you can use the firmness that you prefer. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and sauté for 20 seconds. The reason I like to do this is to add flavor to the tofu. Create a space in the middle of your wok and add 1 tablespoon of spicy bean sauce. This will add flavor and color to your tofu. Push your tofu and onion to the side and add your marinated pork. Make sure that you break up any large clumps of pork. Add a 1/4 cup of water and continue to break up the ground pork and sauté for 20 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of the spicy bean paste and continue to sauté for 20 seconds. Now is a great time to add your diced red chilies or chili oil if you prefer your Mapo Tofu to be more on the spicy side. Add the diced green onion and sauté for 5 seconds, then you can plate and serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.